This is one of the best moments of road rage karma that I've ever witnessed on the internet. Let's have a look at it. This guy was driving in Los Angeles when he encountered this group of road raging idiots. Look at this guy here struggling to keep his pants up. How tough can you be when you have to hold your pants up? What an absolute loser. He screams at the dashcam driver and makes a huge scene. Not just him, but all the other people in the pickup truck are road raging too. Especially the lady at the front. Look what she's about to do now. Or I guess I should call her a Karen. That's a more appropriate term. She throws some water. At least I think that's water. Hopefully it's not something else. And then this is where the karma strikes. They are about to learn the meaning of play stupid games and win stupid prizes, especially the Karen passenger in the front. She gets out with what looks to be a pocket knife and tries to slash the tires on the dashcam car. That's when she gets a face full of pepper spray, right in the eyes. That has got to hurt like bloody hell. And then the dashcam car driver sprays it in the rest of the truck. So hopefully they all got a little bit of it. Instant karma at its best. And then they throw a hammer at the dashcam car. Looks like it doesn't cause any damage, thankfully. And the dashcam driver reported them to police shortly after. Not sure if anything came of it though. This road raging Mercedes driver is going to get instant karma by the end of the video. He was very angry at the semi-truck driver because the truck driver had tried to prevent him from skipping traffic earlier. So the road rager had stopped his vehicle and got out to confront the truck driver. He actually was stopped for more than a minute. I just skipped past that part of the video. And then when traffic finally got going, he blocked the truck. This idiot literally tried to block the truck, even though he was the impatient one who had tried to skip traffic earlier. Imagine being so impatient that you have time to stop your vehicle and block traffic and confront other drivers on the road. Here's the karma part though. He stopped his vehicle again at a construction site and grabbed a tool. He then approaches the truck driver with it, and that's when karma strikes. The truck driver feels threatened, and that's when he puts his truck into gear. Unfortunately, the road rager got his nice SUV banged up. He really struggled to get back into it as well. Thankfully, the road rager didn't get left behind. Although he did get some damage to his SUV, and now it's time to pull over and exchange information. I don't think the truck driver would be found at fault. He was threatened. So I think the truck driver would have a pretty good case of not being at fault.
I know.
Yeah. They looked very British.
Yes.
I don't think I hit it.
Use your fucking mirrors, dickhead! Use your mirror! Use your mirror, you fuckhead!
You fucking light on.
We're in this lane!
We
were in this lane, you fuckhead!
Put your fucking light on, you cockhead!
Yeah, what?
Don't make a fucking scene of this.
What?
Cunt. I'll knock you off your fucking bike and jump on your head, fuckhead. Right?
Alrighty, yeah.
Don't make a fucking scene, cunt, right?
You cut in front of us. You need to talk my mate
Put
out.
your fucking light on, cunt!
What the fuck do you mean? Use your mirror,
You
dickhead.
know what? You know what? You're supposed to have this on, fuckhead!
It is on.
Put the fucking thing on!
It is on.
Or I will run over you next time,
It is
cunt.
on, fuckhead.
What, cunt?
I said it is on.
What?
It is on.
What'd you say?
I said it is on, fuckhead. Yeah, what of it?
Hey! Come on, cunt, get off your bike. Get off your fucking bike, cunt. Get off your fucking bike, cunt.
Wait, get in the
No, this cunt's gonna fucking die. You wanna hit me, cunt? Get off your fucking bike, cunt. Get off your fucking bike, cunt. Get off your fucking bike, cunt. fucking, come on, cunt, get off the fucking bike. Hey, cunt. Fucking come on. No, you started this, cunt.
Come on.
You fucking started this, you cockhead. You want to go throwing punches, cunt?
You hit me first.
You want to go throwing fucking punches? Open your fucking helmet and I'll smash your fucking face in, you stupid cunt. I'll make you fucking see. Fucking
You see him hit me first, eh? Yeah, I'm good, yeah. He just hit my helmet. My head's fine, but I'm good, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I got it all on camera.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
As long as they're okay.
Yeah, all good, yeah. Thank you. Well, have a good weekend, guys.
Fuck you.
Alright, ma'am. That's assault right there.
Just forget it, just forget it. Hey,
That's assault right there.
just forget it. Just forget it. He's an idiot. Forget it.
Go ahead and give me your tag number.
And sat on the edge of the bed. "You must be having a nightmare." He blinked and stared at his hand, then let her loose, pushing back to sit up against the headboard. He dragged his hands through his hair and blew out a breath. "Sorry. I'm sorry. Shit. It's okay. Are you all right?" His hands were still shaky. "I'm fine." As if he just realized it was her, and